Guys, we are into Unity editor now, and as you all can see, I have already created an empty game object which is operators object, and again I have created a C# script which is arithmetic operators. Now to perform some actions or calculation, let's open the script which we have created, which is arithmetic operators. Int a equals to 5, int b equals to 10. Okay, so debug.log a plus b. This is your addition operator. So this is a commented code. Basically, it's not going to run. Debug.log. Okay, let's subtract a from b minus a. Debug.log b mod a. So here it is. Here is the output. Let's continue the topic operators in the next session. Thank you so much.